Hello there, welcome back. So OnePlus 10 series should arrive next year sometime in first quarter, and it will be the first big launch since the Oppo merger. Now I know some of you hardcore OnePlus fans out there don't like what's happened with Oxygen OS. Yes, Oxygen OS is gone and is replaced with Color OS. But let's not dwell on that and concentrate on spec side of things. I know good hardware works really well with great software, but there isn't anything that can be done now. So first, let's start with the display. It will be the same display as with OnePlus 9 Pro. A 6.7-inch 2K Res 120Hz LTPO AMOLED panel with what appears to be a 32-megapixel front-facing camera placed inside a punch hole at the top left corner of the screen. Yeah, from front it won't look any different from the previous OnePlus phones. At the back, well, leaked OnePlus 10 Pro design renders reveal that the camera module will get a significant change and borrows design cues from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's set to come with a 48-megapixel primary camera alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. Now, a fresh report by Digital Chat Station says that the OnePlus 10 Pro may come with 80-watt fast charging. That's up from 65 watt on the OnePlus 9 series. As for the battery capacity, earlier leaks have hinted at 5000 mAh support. If not, the standard 4500 mAh cell is also possible. While that charging upgrade is certainly interesting, perhaps the most notable detail here is that the OnePlus 10 series will be the first device OnePlus launches with Android 12, but it will be based on ColorOS 12 with custom UI. Apart from these details, we already know that the OnePlus 10 Pro will pack the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with a new 3GHz ARM Cortex-X2 high-performance core, as well as 4 times faster AI performance with Qualcomm's 7th Gen Qualcomm AI engine. It could be paired with up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of storage. For connectivity, the device will offer support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and 5G. So yeah, that's pretty much everything we know so far. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out.